In the previous lecture, we have learned about creating the documents, different sizes of the documents, and how we can choose the different presets, and there are different options available which we have learned in the previous video. And in this video, we'll take a quick look at the interface of the Photoshop. Before we go any further, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click the bell icon. That way you will not miss any new video from me. So having said that, let's get started. On the top we have the menus, so all of these are menus like file, edit, and we have the images, and under it we have different options available, type and all these. And then over here we have the tools option, so there are different tools option. On the left hand side we have all these tools vertically, so each tool will give you the different options over here. So we'll click on this, you can see now this is changed, so these are different tools options. So we'll click on different options, it's going to give you the different options. Okay, and then on the middle we have our main image or the working document, and on the left side you can see we have the histories, and we can choose the properties, and we can choose add or remove different options from here by going to the windows and selecting like action. Now action is available. Windows, adjustments are available over here, and we can choose different options like brushes, so brushes would be available over here, and windows, brush setting, so brush setting would be available over here. So all of these are options available over here. And then we have the color panel, so we can choose different colors, and we have the swatches panel, so different swatches are available by default. And then we have the gradients, so we can choose different gradient. We have the pattern option, and then we can create a new pattern, we can create groups. And then over here we have the option of learn, so learn basically all the tutorials from the Photoshop itself. And then we have the libraries, so libraries basically the cloud libraries of your account with the Photoshop. So if you have anything which is you have synced, you can see I have synced all these documents or layer styles, so those are available. If you have synced an image, that would also be available. And then we have the adjustments, so adjustments are very important. So these are the adjustments, so we can adjust the brightness, contrast, levels, curves, and we will learn all of these one by one later on in the chapter. And then we have the layers, so basically all of these layers would be available, so you can turn on and off any layer by clicking on the eye icon. Okay, and the bottom one we can place one layer, and above it and above it. So if you can see, if it is above it, the bottom one will not be visible. And we have different options, so we'll go through with different options like opacity, fill, etc. later on while covering that options. And then we have the channels, so channel is basically RGB, red, green, blue, so we'll just cover that as well. Then we have the panel of paths, and on the bottom you can see we have some more information. All right, and over here on the bottom we have also the FX panel, so we can just add the shadows, inner shadow, overlays, gradients, etc. And we have the option of mask, so if you click on this, we can create a mask. And then we have all the adjustments from here as well, so we can browse these adjustments from here, from this black and white circle as well. And then we can create a group, so if we can click on this, it's going to create a new group. And we can click a new layer by clicking on this plus icon. And if you want to delete anything or any layer, just click on the trash icon, and we can press delete, yes, and we can press the trash delete once again if you want to. All right, so this was the basic function of the basic interface of the Photoshop. In the next video we will learn about the file menu, so all these options we'll learn about what are those and how you can use them. All right, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any question, leave that in the comment section below and I will answer all of your questions. So thank you so much. Bye bye, see you in the next video.